This is the part 2 of our steering knuckle. Okay, so as I mentioned, we have to sketch on this space. So the sketch that you're going to do is like this. Okay, I'm going to cut this area, right? So normal 2. All right, so I want this area to be cut. So similarly on this area, can put it here. Okay, so I'm going to all right, I'm going to make it extrude cut using mid plane, right? Select this area, select this area. So let's see, we must cut. All right, check. So this is now my steering arm. I think wrong. So now my steering knuckle is like this. I cut this part. So now we can sketch this part. Sketch normal 2. We can now draw the eyelet for the tie rod end. So we sketch. Okay, and sketch here. Escape. We can adjust. All right, make it smaller. Okay, features, extrude boost. Okay, we make only 2 mm, 2 mm, and then on the second direction we make it 22 mm. Okay, let's see. Oh, we make it 24. 24. Check. Alright, so this is our eyelet. Now we can make the eye sketch, and then normal 2. We sketch. We are going to cut a hole, tapered hole on this portion. Okay, smart dimension. We put okay 17. Enter, and then we are going to extrude cut using the 3-degree. All right, extrude cut. So, oh yeah, must cut roll. Edit. So it should be throw hole. Okay, check. Alright, so our steering knuckle is already completed. Now if this angle is not sufficient, we can still edit if we want. How to edit? Just click this arm, then we can see it's here. The 3D sketch, we can edit. Okay, it means that this angle we can still make it more. Okay, we can make it more, and this area we can still fill it if we want. Okay, check, and then nothing will change in our close. Okay, oh, it changes already. Error stop, so something wrong on our extrude cut. So we edit only the extrude cut. Butter. Edit the sketch and see what's went wrong on the sketch. It should be indicated by a yellow. So this is the yellow. We just delete this. So delete, and then the error will be gone. So this is our steering arm, right? Now we can do the piloting. So fillet so that it will be looks nice. All right, we can increase for this particular area. All right, check. All right, so we can change also the material. We can still fillet this area. I think fillet. Maybe we put 2 mm. Okay, so similarly this space put 2 mm. Alright, on this space we can fill it by 1 mm. Check. Alright, then we can change the appearance. We can put steel, chrome, iron, titanium. Say I want iron. Okay, color is black. Now here instead of fillet, I want this. It's not the fillet. Clear this one. Clear selection. I want this. I want this whole body. Yeah, check. So this is my now black. I think it's not nice, so we change to other color body. So I want it to be okay, red. Check. Okay. So now we can close our sketch. All right. Okay. So we can now close. We have to close. We have to say yes, and then yes, and then this is already our steering knuckle. Okay. So that's it on the steering knuckle.